Christmas, Christmas. It's Christmas, Christmas.
And on we'll go.
It is Christmas, so we are filming this a little bit early. It's like the 17th. It's the 17th. It's the day before my papers due.
17th. My God.
It's the 17th, and we decided that we were going to film this a little bit early because I won't actually be in the state on Christmas. All right, so who's going first? Okay, I need to ask you something. Which present do you want first? Do you want the one? Do we want to do the ones that aren't physically here yet first, or do we want to just do the physically here ones first? I have your big one. I want to do last.
Is that the
one that isn't physically here? Yeah. Okay. It's the proof that I have to show you. Here, start with this one. It's a bag. That's a bag. Thanks for the bag. Asparagus? What's asparagus? Oh, it's a tripod. It's temporary.
For a camera I don't have?
No, there's a inside there something.
Oh, it looks like the one I have that you
Oh,
got,
this thing.
that you gave me, right?
Hey, the one that I gave you?
Mhm.
Yeah, oh yeah, I got this. Okay. But in there is something that you can use to attach your phone, and that's just for now. The base is a little bit weird because I had to get a specific one that would fit your phone, but it'll work until you get a new one.
I'm really excited. I didn't really pick her present until like 3 days ago, and I saw.
I was there.
It was a trend. It's a trend. So that's all I'll say.
It's a trend. Now I'm nervous.
It's really cool. That's all I'm saying.
It's an Amazon box. Congrats.
That's a trend. That is a trend. That one guy is like advertising saying everything is cheaper on Amazon. On TikTok.
Let me get the tough tape for you. I don't know. I have the big sticks. So there you go.
I like the wrapping paper. It's very cute. Why'd you put it in packing tape?
Just to cover the flat. This is one of those things that I'm really good.
You get a random sheet of wrapping paper. Sorry.
So open the long ones first.
These ones? Oh, I did get an avocado. Thanks. Should I open this in separate parts so you can open one?
An avocado.
An avocado. Thanks. Batteries. I don't know what they're for, but I'll
Alright,
find
my
out.
turn. My turn.
Your turn. Your turn. Oh my god, calm down. Okay. Do you want to
You
open
giving
one
the
to
presents?
you or one to Toby first?
Boop.
No, they're not like the biggest thing.
Oh, look at Arlo. Really? Oh, but it was adorable. Wait, what?
I think you'll like that because it rolls around.
Oh.
pretty easily.
Will you destroy it easily?
I don't know, but it's
Oh.
digestible.
That's good.
So
Not like that.
shit.
Okay. Actually, let me do one more of yours, and then you can open this. Just to make it
He really
and
likes it.
Ambler, even though we're getting like 3 for Christmas anyways, but thank you.
Well, Toby likes those ones that are open.
Thank you.
Hey. Okay.
Nom 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 nom.
This is the big one, so just
This one?
no, both of them.
Oh my god, no you didn't! No way! You guys! It's the
No, it was all her, not me.
Carissa, it was talking about it on the live and I'm gonna meet her and go,
Oh my god! I'm so excited. If you guys don't know what these are answer buzzers. So basically, if you guys have seen like that dog, she's like a shepadoodle something, an English sheepdog doodle mix. On TikTok, she's a talking dog because she has those buttons that she can press and like say things.
Now there's like an expensive, like specific like dog version with like the X tiles, and I was like, she probably wants me to spend less money on her.
Yeah, I wouldn't be. The thing is I don't personally right now. I haven't like looked into the science to figure out if there's like a reason that they have those specific ones.
No, but
I wanted to
was
try it out.
About it. You were like, oh yeah, we're trying to do something like that for Christmas, and I was like,
We decided not to because both of us forgot. So,
but that's why the batteries are important because each one takes 2.
I'm so psyched. Oh my
There's
gosh.
20 batteries in there.
I'm so excited. They're the same thing. I'm so excited. Another box. I'm
There's
gonna.
these buttons. I was originally just gonna get the 4, and then I was like, well, that's not very fun because you say Arlo Potty.
That's like my head. So
now I have 8.
So now I can make these. Oh my gosh, it's gonna be such a fun video.
Give me that.
That was such a good idea.
Oh, you look so sad.
Fill my face.
This is why I never give her anything fragile.
Arlo, oh, it's not for you. Don't say
To be honest, I don't even know what's in it.
You don't or he doesn't?
I know. I've wrapped this.
Fire!
I wrapped these things like a while ago. I know what's in this one, and I think I know what's in this
Fire!
one. Oh, there must have been something originally in it that had batteries.
I'll try to hide your name. I just stuck my hand on that.
I think you need it more than I do.
Well,
You need that more.
I thought we weren't gonna give this to Toby because I thought he was gonna destroy it.
Supervised.
I don't know, I think I told you this. My neighbor has a cricket.
Okay.
I had a smart idea.
Oh, that's adorable.
I want to see it.
Oh.
So here. And I have one more fabric for you, but it's a surprise and it won't have text on it. This is like little Arlo right there, and then Arlo there. And I might do some that say Toby in the red, but with like black. I haven't gotten that far.
That's so funny.
Yesterday at 9:03.
I love that.
Yeah. Alright, next.
Okay. Do you want the one for Toby that's from me or the one to you?
Toby. He's going to town on that.
I got.
It's close!
I got
Check
the
to
butt.
be sure that it fits.
Oh, secretly. Sneak my dog away. Boys! Get off!
Arlo.
Yeah, I was kind of mostly talking about you, sir. Sit.
He thinks whenever we're opening presents that it's for him.
Oh, do you want it? Open it for me. Please?
Yep, yep, yep.
He doesn't know how to open
It's funny because that sheepdog, they put a mirror in front of the buttons now, so she's like contemplating like she's got like time and space buttons. Ah! Warm coat.
it. I did make sure it fit. So that should fit under his ear a lot better than the red one.
Right. Thank you.
And it's black, so it'll match anything.
Yeah, thank you. Arlo, come
And it'll keep him warmer because black keeps in heat.
here. There you go.
Oh my god.
It has a hood and a pocket.
All right.
You should know what's in there. I told you I was going to give you this. Then I have to pull up the last thing. I don't remember. Oh, you have my phone.
Yo.
I told you I was going to give you that.
You did?
Yeah.
Oh, well, thank you.
Now you have one for your wrist that you can carry with you instead of
Thank you.
Hap, 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 hap.
right?
Oh my god. Poor Arlo. Really? Oh my god.
I'll put pictures in. So I got you some of these cards so that you don't have to actually, if you ever have like an access issue, you can just give them these cards. And then this one, I have to rotate the image over so you can tell what it is.
Ooh,
And then this is the back.
I want to see it.
How many?
Well, I'd probably get you like 40 or something.
And then I can just reorder from
Right.
the shop if I want.
Well, I'll just send you the design and then we have the design.
Oh, so you can print it like with this whatever card printing company.
Like, I think Walgreens does business cards now. So, yeah. That was our Christmas.
Christmas.
So thank you guys so much
Christmas.
for watching, and I will see you guys in whatever we make next. We're doing quotations.
And I feel.